25 years old male presented with 2 centimeter nodule. Thyroidectomy was done. Histology picture is given. What's the most likely diagnosis? Now here what you can see, this is the nucleus. In the nucleus, what you can see, generally nucleus is like this. So here in the nucleus, you can see that it's optically clear. So can you see these nuclei? This is optically clear. There is no pigmentation. So there is optically clear nuclei, and this is also known as orphan any eye nuclei. So this is what? This is orphan any eye nuclei. And this optically clear nuclei or orphan any eye nuclei is seen in what? Papillary carcinoma thyroid. You know that in papillary carcinoma thyroid, what are the other histological features? There is pseudo inclusion bodies, presence of pseudo inclusion bodies, and what else? There is dystrophic calcification. There is dystrophic calcification, and you know this dystrophic calcification is known as Samoma bodies. It's known as Samoma bodies. This question is frequently asked that Samoma bodies are seen in the mnemonic is PSM. P means papillary carcinoma thyroid and papillary variant of RCC. It's papillary variant of RCC. S means serous cyst adenoma ovary. So it's the serous cyst adenoma ovary, and M means meningioma. Meningioma. Clear? This is one clue. Okay. Now there is a second clue. See, generally in image based question you should not be having any kind of fear because additional information is being provided in the form of image. If you see the surgery questions, even if you don't look at the image, generally you are going to crack more than 50% of image based questions of surgery on the basis of description itself. Now see how. Here if you can see the age of patient, it's 25 years. Out of papillary, follicular, medullary anaplastic, the only malignancy which is seen in such a younger age, and that's papillary. So generally this papillary carcinoma, it's seen in 3rd to 4th decade. Follicular seen in 5th to 6th. Similarly medullary 6th, and anaplastic it is seen in 7th to 8th. Clear? So here this age is also highly suggestive of what? Papillary carcinoma. So correct answer for this question is A.